Hey guys, want to go over something that's common with probably everybody out there that's raced before, is what to look for after you've been in a crash with your shocks. A lot of the times it's completely obvious what's happened damage-wise. They're dented in, they're crushed in on the bodies, the shafts are bent. That's pretty much a no-brainer. It's time to send them in and let us repair them for you. Other times it'll be a minimal amount of damage on the body where it doesn't necessarily feel like a dent, but there is a mark on the outside. But what that can do is it's actually dented the inside where the piston rides in the shock, and that can create a problem for you. So if there's anything on the outside of the body that you're concerned with or anything like that, best off to send them on in and let us take a look at them. The other thing is with the shafts themselves, they may not be bent bad enough to be completely visible to the naked eye, but if you suspect them of being bent at all, again, send them in so we can check them out. Otherwise, you'll end up over time, if the shaft is bent, where that rubs through the bearing, wearing one side of the bearing out and eventually wearing the seals out, and you'll start leaking oil. So again, anything you see on your shocks that you're not comfortable with or you want us to take a look at, send them in and we'll get them tuned back up for you.